Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn Wi-Fi on and off on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, here at the top you will see Wi-Fi, so just tap on that. As you can see, I have my Wi-Fi currently turned on, and if I want to disable it, I just need to tap on the switch button, the right side of the Wi-Fi right there. As you can see, it's now currently turned off, and to enable it, just need to tap on it again, just like so. The second way to do it is just by swiping down at the top right of your screen to access the control center. Once you're here, you will see a Wi-Fi icon at the top left right there. We'll just tap on that. So it's besides the Bluetooth icon. Either tap on it or just by tap and hold on it to access this menu. And tap and hold on it again on the Wi-Fi icon to access this menu, and you could pick from any Wi-Fi connection that you want. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.